In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clock out on Connecteam. If you're using the Connecteam desktop web app and you need to end your shift correctly, this process is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through exactly what to look for so you can clock out without confusion and make sure your time is recorded properly. To begin, open your company's Connecteam desktop web app and log into your account. Once you're inside the platform, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This sidebar is where you'll find the main tools and sections of Connecteam. From that left sidebar, click on Time Clock. This will take you to the area where your active shift and time tracking details are managed. If you're currently clocked in, you should be able to see your running timer or a section labeled Today's Clock near the top of the page. Next, move your cursor over today's clock or over the active running timer if that's what appears on your screen. As you hover there, Connecteam will reveal the option you need to end the shift. Now click the red stop or clock out button. This is the main action that tells the system you're finishing your work session. Once you click it, Connecteam may prompt you to complete a few final shift details before the clock out is fully submitted. If required, fill out any shift attachments, mileage information, or notes. For example, your workplace may ask you to add a short note about the shift, upload something related to the job, or enter travel distance if mileage tracking is used. These fields can be important because some companies require them before the shift can be closed successfully. After completing anything required, click to confirm your clock out. That final confirmation ensures your shift is saved and your timer stops correctly in the system. A helpful tip here is to take a quick moment to review what you entered before confirming, especially if your company relies on notes or mileage for payroll or reporting. That can help avoid corrections later. And that's it. Once confirmed, you've successfully clocked out on Connecteam using the desktop web app. As long as you go to time clock, hover over today's clock or the running timer, click the red stop or clock out button, and complete any required details, your shift should be properly recorded. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you clock out on Connecteam quickly and confidently.